Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about AWS Firewall Manager. It's a quite straightforward service. So here we've got Firewall Manager and it integrates with firewall services in AWS. So two of them we've already discussed in quite a bit of detail: Web Application Firewall and AWS Shield Advanced. And keep in mind here that AWS Shield Basic is deployed automatically on all accounts anyway, so there's no need to manage it. But if you choose to use Shield Advanced, you can manage it with a Firewall Manager. And then also integrates with some other services that it's just good to know that it works with them, and we don't need to go into detail on them right now. These are a network firewall, a DNS resolver firewall, and VPS security groups. And basically, Firewall Manager allows you to have consistency on how you deploy these services, how you configure and manage these firewalls in different AWS accounts. So if you have multiple AWS accounts in your organization, you can use Firewall Manager to deploy them all from one place in a consistent way. So that's pretty much all you need to know about Firewall Manager for the exam. So just look out for questions which talk about deploying, centrally configuring, managing firewalls in one place across different accounts in your organization. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.